Hello everybody, this is Chetan Sharma with another interesting math video. So today I am picking a problem from class 10th. This topic is polynomial. This is a very interesting question, and these type of question frequently asked in the exams, and as a point of examination it is so important. So first of all I am discussing the statement. So this is your problem. Find the zeros of quadratic polynomial 6x square minus 7x minus 3 and verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients. So first of all, understand the statement carefully. There is two things being asking. One thing, find the zeros of quadratic polynomial. Polynomial is already given 6x square minus 7x minus 3, and then when you get the zeros, then verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficient of the polynomial. So this is very interesting question. So let's solve it. First of all, we have a polynomial 6x square minus 7x minus 3. So first of all we want to find the zeros. So for zeros we put the px equal to 0, then put the value of px is 6x square minus 7x minus 3 equals to 0. Now what we're going to do, we're going to do factorize. We need to factorize. This is split the middle term. We will already learn in class 9th. So what we're going to do, we're going to break the 7 into parts. This is minus 9x and plus 2x. In the first two figures, 6x square minus 9x, we taking the common 3x. What we remain in the brackets, 2x minus 3, and taking positive 1 common from the last two because they have not any single number common, so positive 1 should be taken as common. So what we get in the brackets, 2x minus 3. In this step, look at carefully, we got two brackets which are identicals, 2x minus 3, we put it common, 2x minus 3, and what we remain, 3x plus 1. So we have two factors of px. One is 2x minus 3 and second is 3x plus 1. So as it is equal to 0, so we going to put both equal to 0 first of all. 2x minus 3 equals to 0 and 3x plus 1 equals to 0. In the first one we get 2x equals to 3 and then x equals to 3 by 2, and the second one is 3x equals to minus 1 and x equals to minus 1 by 3. So we get two zeros of polynomial px. One is x equals to 3 by 2 and another is x equals to minus 3 by 2. So these are the two zeros, and now the very first part is completed when we got the zeros of px. Now moved on the second part where we going to prove the relation between the zeros and the coefficients of polynomial. So here we're going to sum of the zeros. Sum of the zeros is, first 0 is 3 by 2 and second 0 is minus 3 by 2. We're going to sum them. In this we have fractions, so we're taking LCM and then we're going through the calculation and got 7 by 6. 7 by 6, if I can little bit adjust in this 7 by 6, minus 1 put inside, minus 1 put outside, it will again become plus 1. So why I'm doing this, because I want to make it in this manner, because minus 7 by 6, actual minus 7 is a coefficient of x in the polynomial. Look at the polynomial carefully. Minus 7 is a coefficient of x square. What is in the here, I am just, that's why I am putting minus 1 inside and outside. So it is become minus coefficient of x square upon what is the denominator, 6. 6 is actually coefficient of x square, so it is coefficient of x square. So it is the very first relation what we learned in the formulas. The sum of zeros is always equals to minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of x square. So first relation is clear. Now move to the second relation is product of zeros. minus 3 by 2 cross minus 1 by 3. So when going to solve them, it is cutting each other and getting minus 1 by 2. So here I am again multiply both numerator and denominator by 3 by what I get minus 3 by 6. The constant term in the numerator, and again my 6 is in the denominator, which is coefficient of x square. So hence we got the verified of relationship. So this is the question what we discussing today, and it is very important question for 3 marks. I hope you get this some and you understand all the things what we discussing in this question. If you have any query, any type of problem, any type of thing you wanted to discuss again, you can call me, you can write in comment box. I going to answer you as soon as possible. Thank you very much.